Good morning, everybody. How is all my lovelies today? Today we're going to be talking about mindsets. It's a good day because I say so. We get to pick and choose everything we think, and that will change our feelings. Maybe we woke up on the wrong side of the bed today, but we can choose to think differently and still create the world that we want to create. Wake up saying, today is a great day because I choose it to be. We can choose happy, sad, glad, whatever we want. Mindset is our choices. We choose to think positive. And for some, it's a little bit of a challenge getting into Christmas and the holidays and New Year's. It's exciting for me, but I do know I get tired and other people do too. So we choose. I choose to be happy today. I choose to make it the best day ever. I choose to have fun today. Make those your mantra and make up your own. I challenge you to write your mantra, your affirmation down below and share it with others. Please like, share, and subscribe, and know that you are deeply loved. You are loved by God. You are loved by Jesus. You are loved by the universe, by angels. You are loved. You are not alone. If you are feeling down today, I encourage you to reach out and tell somebody. Don't be alone if you don't have to be. Even if it's over the internet, reach out to someone and tell them that you're needing a little extra boost. With that, God bless you all, and please have a beautiful day. It's your choice. It's my choice. We choose what we want to have happen in our lives. Bye for now. God bless you and have a great day.